Hi everyone, Sean here. Today we will be making a parole using recycled materials. Why are we using recycled materials? Store-bought paroles are beautiful, but creating one from recyclable helps us slow reduce environmental impact by minimizing waste and promotes sustainability, encourage creativity, and supports a healthier, more eco-friendly community. So these are the materials we're going to use. Parole or pinaglumaan that will serve as the template or base for our new creation. Plastic straw. These were left over from my mom's birthday celebration. Glue gun and glue stick, of course. Scissors, cutter, and ruler. So I will cut all of the straws so we can use it in our parole. Now it's time for us to put the straw in the parole. So we need to cut the extra straws so we can align it. Now we need to glue the opposite side, which is color red. So again, we need to cut the extra straw so it can align properly. Now it's time to cover the sides of the stars. We are almost done in our parol. I'm finally done making my own parol. Making a parol taught me that creating with recycled materials is both fun and eco-friendly. It reduces waste and supports local communities and preserves cultural traditions. I encourage everyone to recycle and use local materials. It's a simple way to help the environment and foster creativity. Bye everyone, thank you, and Merry Christmas!